If you're looking for a simple way to make a group of chords, try a mini generative tool called Stacks, right? And basically generative tools are, well, they generate sounds. And so here we've got a piano sound, and we're just going to take the default, basically the default chord, and it's just going to play it across the whole MIDI clip that you've created here. So if you select one, it'll basically play the whole thing there, but we're going to select 4 different chords. They're exactly the same at the moment, which is fine, and they all have exactly the same root note. So we're just going to change the root note of the second chord to A, and to the third chord to, let's say, if I can find it, an F, and the fourth one to G. Now you can see they're kind of all spread apart, so they're not going to sound very well connected. Let's just take a quick listen to them. So we want them to be a bit closer to each other. So for example, the third one, this one here, let's just increase the inversion so it's just a bit closer, and this one here we just decrease the inversion, so they're just basically getting closer to each other. The other thing you could do is we can keep the same root note, but we can choose different chord options just to make it a bit more interesting. Let's just choose this one here, and on this one here we can choose, on the C we can choose a different chord option there, and finally on the F we can choose just something a bit weirder, maybe something like that, and we'll increase the inversion so they're closer to each other. So let's just take a listen to those. Yeah, so you can just generate some chords and they will sound good if you use Stacks, because they're generating them together as a 4-chord group. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like these types of tutorials, please subscribe, and if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments. Thank you very much.